TLC. Alright, and I'm going to be showing you guys Nayavista hair. So I've had the hair in for about 3 weeks now, like 3 weeks exactly, actually, and I am loving it. Okay, so this is the hair after it was washed. When I first got my hair done, I got it flat ironed. So like I didn't add any type of products into it, like nothing. I literally washed it and it was still wet and I went to bed. This is literally how it is. So the body waves definitely came back. The hair does hold curl pretty good. The flat ironed really well. I'm gonna show some pictures to you guys. Well, my stylist cut about 1 inch of the hair off just because it was, with it being straight, we were going to do the blunt cut, but we ended up not doing that because the hair was like a lot longer than anticipated, because this is 12 inch all over, and it's pretty long for 12 inch to me. But like I said, we cut about this much off. It can keep a curl. It's really soft and easy manageable because let me see how I say this. I'm lazy. I got 2 jobs and I work 7 days a week. Now I have a 4-year-old. So I like to be able to get up and go and not have to flat iron it every single morning or curl my hair every single morning. Like I won't be able to get up, brush it, not brush it, whatever I want to do, and keep it moving. Like that's how I like to do it. So I don't mind paying more money for better quality hair so that I can like not have to brush it every 2 seconds or just doing the absolute most to maintain the hair. So it's very easy to maintain because if I can do it, anybody can do it. Like easy. So yeah, finger comb it, call it a day. Literally. I haven't had any problems with this hair shedding, like, because usually, you know, you get some hair, you walking around and everybody know where you've been because your hair is everywhere. Like, dang, girl, you everywhere. Can't sneak nowhere, can't do nothing because your hair is just leaving evidence everywhere. Okay, so this is how much hair I had left, because, you know, it can't just keep back. And I had, there goes my necklace. I'm looking for this. Okay. Out there. So I had 3 bundles of 12 inch, as you guys know, and this is how much hair I had left. Just like comb that, I guess. It's looking kind of crazy. So the hair doesn't shed, doesn't tangle, easy to maintain, soft, full, like great pros. I do not have any cons yet so far. Honestly, I don't think I'm going to have any, but if I ever come across any, I'll post them in the description, I suppose. Like we had to flat iron this thing, do something. Like it was full. It was full. It was full.
Bye-bye.